Gens is a comprehensive copper processing enterprise with integration of R&D, fabrication, sales, and service. We have obtained plenty of patents, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certification. Gens, adhering to the vision of bringing together a perfect harmony of copper and world-class masterpieces in design. Our business covers countries and regions all over the world since its establishment. We not only provided a professional copper curtain wall system, copper roof system, copper decoration system, and copper water drainage system for famous projects such as Shanghai Disneyland, Huawei Sunshine Lake, Beijing Universal Studios, ByteDance, the Huangdi's Native Place Palace, etc. Superb design team and advanced technology research and development have brought countless exquisite and practical independent copper products to the market. In the increasingly fierce market competition, Gens has always been insisting on innovation as the driving force and constantly innovated, providing solutions that meet modern aesthetic and functional requirements for many projects at home and abroad. Behind every project, there is the sweat and wisdom of the Gens teams. In every project, a partner has witnessed our respect and love for copper materials. With the development of the company, Gens has gradually become a leader in the field of copper products. Gens sincerely commits to become a partner of people from all walks of life.